The ultrasonic sensors are showing consistent density across the billet.
Confirmed. No subsurface anomalies detected.
Scene 17, Process A. The high-precision 5-axis CNC machine prepares the aviation-grade aluminum.
Through controlled pressure, the material structure is homogenized, preparing it for deep drawing.
These precisely milled aluminum billets are the central wing box of the Tu-160 Blackjack, moved efficiently by AGVs into the main assembly area.
No thickener. This process is vital for ensuring optimal adhesion for future treatments and welding operations. Removing the microscopic
The robotic manipulator arm extracts the enormous aluminum bulkhead. This critical component, essential for
Check this seam right here.
Scanner reads green. It's clear for installation.
This specialized robotic process applies a crucial fire-retardant coating, ensuring the safety of the massive internal fuel storage system.
Check the strain gauge at joint 4R.
reading nominal.
Data stream is green across the board, confirms integrity.
The automated connection to the core pumping systems, essential for operating the complex variable sweep wing. Initial pressure tests confirm zero leakage.
Status update on Process A.
All systems reporting nominal. Fuel bladders holding steady. Verification complete.
1
torque wrench reports green on all bolts.
Confirmed. Moving to control panel.
The inventory manifest is generating now.
All components verified. We are cleared for the next phase.
Transition to process B approved. Blast doors clear. Continue movement.
The adhesion looks perfect on this section.
Confirmed. The pivot interface is fully secured.
Verification complete on Section 4. Dimensional stability confirmed.
Noted. Proceed to the next phase.
Okay, sequence complete. Let's move in and verify the wing mechanisms.
Running diagnostics on the hydraulics now.
In the Process B zone, aluminum alloy sheets are riveted into the massive outer wing panels.
All right, the hinges are secure. Let's cycle the flaps and ailerons.
Range of motion is perfect. No binding detected. Verification complete.
Aligning starboard wing now. Crane operator, slow traverse to 5 meters per minute.
This is the critical moment, mating two colossal high-precision components. The specialized steel pivot bearings must align with zero tolerance. Flow rates are stable and within tolerance. Integration confirmed. Acknowledged.
Proceed with system pressurization.
Clear on the starboard side. Watch the clearance.
Verified against Process A specifications.
Proceed with final seating.
Avionics sequence B complete. All systems nominal.
Confirmed. Checklist item 4, verified.
The anti-flash coating is hardening perfectly under the lamps.
Good. Maintain current temperature settings.
We have full power across the board. The POST is showing green.
And the control surfaces are cycling within tolerance.
Check the connections behind the relay, Charlie.
Looks good from here. Confirm secure.
We have full synchronization at 65 degrees, ready for finalization.
Process B integration confirmed.
Connection secure on port 2.
Acknowledged. Initiating flow sequence. Monitor pressure.
We have a resonance spike at the wingtip sensor array.
Rerunning the spectral analysis on the tail section.
Damping seems stable overall.
Pre-start checklist finalized. Systems green.
Confirmed. Ground, we are ready for ignition.
Copy. Tower. Cleared to spool. Stability check at high velocity complete. Commencing simulated abort and maximum braking sequence.
Ground clear. Chucks away.
Roger. Checklist complete. Spooling engines now. Fuel line 2 connected. Flow initiated. Panel 42 clear. Confirming system check complete.
Demonstrating the ultimate quality of the manufacturing pipeline, the Blackjack stands ready, a symbol of strategic readiness.